let's get kind of the bread and butter of what Databricks thrives at around like advanced analytics and kind of how does the Databricks platform, effectively be so good at advanced analytics, which are a lot of what we're talking about here. This is
Right.
kind of the entry level for things like know your customer and fraud detection. This is just using kind of the a number of machine learning tools. How does Databricks really thrive on that layer?
So I think the remarkable thing about Databricks is that this is where they started, right? As a platform, they were really targeting machine learning use cases and AI as their initial thrust into the market, and being able to have that rich history of like supporting machine learning engineers and data scientists with tools like MLflow, which have become kind of the core standard for how you track experiments and the model lifecycle. Like those being so integrated into the platform, make it kind of a no-brainer choice. But the recent advancements with, again, Unity Catalog and kind of this unified infrastructure where you have the same infrastructure for your data engineering and your machine learning tasks. You have everything really tied together in terms of how the governance happens. Like you don't just govern data in Unity Catalog, you govern your models, and any kind of AI assets you're creating are all in one place. So having that kind of unified place to do all this stuff makes it seamless for your teams to collaborate on stuff, makes it kind of a easy for new team members to get on board and know where things are, because it's all it's all in one place and all ready to go. And it's really scalable and able to meet up with the demands of these growing data and payments platforms.
Yeah, I think the piece that like all those areas that you're talking to really thrive, just shine when you're thinking about like these models. Like when you think about data science, it's not on a vacuum. And when you build up a unified environment and like model management like that, you get really good collaboration, especially both not only working on a problem between multiple data scientists, but like then you can spin this out to different teams for or different data sets much easier. I think there's a lot of how that the features we talk about layer on top of each other to ultimately add again that greater than the sum of its parts scenario here. And I think it really shows when you have that kind of full ecosystem capability and connectivity to third-party data sources and kind of make it the center point of platforming with governance and all that layer, makes it really easy to extend kind of not just the model capability, but the workflow capability.
Yeah, I think some of the
Yeah.
key benefits of that are realized in like time to market for machine learning use cases. So we're seeing across customers like a reduction in time to like market for these use cases in up to 50%, which is crazy. So
it's music to our ears when you get to how long. We're always we're an agency that comes in and helps clients build this. We're always looking for how quick when we get to delivery is one of the
yeah,
metrics we always like to measure ourselves against. So we like that as well.